Okay, I'm looking at this Screecher, and we're probably about as hard on the wind as this sail is meant to go. And it doesn't look bad. You know, it's fairly flat through all the aft sections of it, but I'm thinking that luff is very full. See the way it just keeps collapsing? And of course, you can't get tension on it. We're not on a forestay. We're on a halyard, and the luff tension over the torsion rope needs to be increased. Well, I'm not sure I've got enough to do that. Anyway, we'll see. That all looks flat, nice and flat. And then we've got this big curve right in the front of the sail. Okay, that's it.